Hello everyone, for my screencast tutorial I decided to use the web page called Canva. This design page is very useful and I like it very much. I have used this application for a variety of things which I have created in my resume. Also, I have used this application for this class to make my infographic, and now I'm gonna show you how to use it. First, you need to click on Google and put canva.com, which is in here, and then this page will appear. You can either sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or sign up with your email. In this case, I will sign up with Facebook since I already have it like that. So you click like that and then it will lead you to the main page. In here you can see that you have, like, if you click in here you can see all the templates, and in here you will see the poster, logo, presentation, flyer, card, infographic, and business card, your resume, whatever the template you want to choose. In this case, I decide to make a birthday card present to my roommate, which her birthday is gonna be tomorrow. So you click birthday card and it will appear a variety of templates, and I wanna make this one since her favorite color is golden. So you will click use this template and then you will design it whatever you want. And I'm gonna start in here to my roommate, to my dear roommate, happy birthday, love, and then I'm gonna put Mijal. In here, if you want, also if you wanna change the text, you can use whatever font you would like, but I like as it's already there. And then you also can choose a photo from the page, but I don't want to use it. Also, you have the other option to use a photo which you uploaded, and in here I have a picture which I took it with my phone. I'm gonna select it. It's a picture with her and I'm gonna include it in the design. So I'm gonna try to make it fix, but okay, I think it's not possible, so it doesn't look good, but in any other case you can use it for photos too. So I'm gonna delete it, and also you can change it in here, the size of the picture, but I like it like that. And then I'm gonna share it to her by her email. So I'm gonna put her email in here, and then I'm gonna put send invites to her, and then it says your design was shared, and I'm gonna hope she's gonna like it. Also, you can either copy the link and send it to email, or also you can download it and as a PDF or as other options, and or you can print the invitation too. This is a really cool web page which I like it very much. Hope you like the tutorial and enjoy it as I did. Bye.